Looks like you have a plan.
Yeah.
What's your plan?
Making no-bake cookies.
Okay. Ready.
This is about half cup of peanut butter. Oops. I'm gonna pour in half cup of sugar right now. Is he making no-bake?
No baked cookies.
And a fourth cup of cocoa. One more cup and
What happens when you get chocolate on your fingers?
you wash him. So these cookies, we usually do a couple layers like down here. And we usually put a little lid on and put it in the freezer so they can cool down. I like making these cookies because they're fun to make, and I like to make them with my mom, and she's a good cook, same as my dad.